Hey guys, Shannon at St.Albert Dodge. I get the great opportunity to tell you that we still have the old body style Grand Cherokee around. Old can be a negative connotation, but in reality, this is one that we definitely want to never go away. It's one of the top sellers. It's the Grand Cherokee Altitude. What the Altitude gets you is some of those features that are kind of a must have when it comes to one of these Jeeps. So let's go over those now. For starters, the Altitude has the black fog lamp bezels, black grille, black headlight bezels, and then the black trim underneath. That blacked out look is quite popular, especially pairing it with the black wheels, black badging, and then the beautiful velvet red pearl. Moving around to the back of the vehicle here, it is a power liftgate capable vehicle. 2 touches from the key fob or just touching the handle there. It'll raise up for you. It's got the upgraded sound system with the subwoofer in the back. Easily one of our best sound systems when it comes to our product. Let's talk about it a little more. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on the inside of this Grand Cherokee Altitude. Again, it's the one you want when it comes to getting the absolute most for your money. Obviously, there's newer, flashier vehicles out there, but when it comes to one that's been very, very successful, this is the one. It's got the 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine paired with the 8-speed ZF transmission, both phenomenal when it comes to mechanical soundness. You've also got the full leather wrap steering wheel, heated seats, heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen with the new format. It's got a sport mode as well as an economy mode, which are going to be able to change the shift points, the steering wheel control, the pedal responsiveness, and basically make it more or less sporty or better on fuel or less good on fuel. So just nice to have that capability. Also has the leather trim with the beautiful suede inserts. It's a gorgeous vehicle. Sunroof up top, and as I mentioned, it is a phenomenal vehicle when it comes to bang for your buck. So come on down to St. Albert Dodge, Grand Cherokee Altitude. We got them. Talk to you soon.